Hello, my English 111 class. Welcome to week 9. Yay, March 5th through March 11th. This is about the halfway point of the semester. Woo! Yes, week 9. Fantastic. Okay, so what are we doing this week? Well, we are still working on paper 2. So last week we worked on the refutation, and now we're ready to dig into the body paragraphs. Okay, so again, you are writing a research paper. You've done your research. You've got your introduction. You've looked at the other side. Now it's time to present your argument. So you are going to present your argument using the research that you did a few weeks ago. And yeah, there is a midterm extra credit available. We'll talk about that in a second. There is readings in Odigia that will help you with stuff. So watch this video, what you're doing right now, and then you're going to actually go ahead and put the first draft of the body paragraphs in. That's what's going on, the major thing this week. So this is the big part of your paper because, again, you had the introduction, which kind of introduced the concept, you had the refutation, looked at the other side, and now you're proving your side. And this is where you draw heavily upon your the research that you did way back here in week, what was it? Week 6, yeah, 4 credible sources. So you're going to be writing your paper based on that. Yeah, research paper, fun. So you're going to put your first draft of your body paragraphs in here. Again, it says body paragraphs. So if you're used to the 5-paragraph method, you're going to have more than 1 paragraph per main point. You should have several paragraphs to back up. The more evidence you can bring, the better. That is the goal, and I will give you feedback on that. The other thing you get to do is there is a midterm extra feedback. Yay! Okay. So by completing this, you will earn 10 points to either writing project 1 or writing project 2, whichever project needs it the most. You have until March 9th to do that. So March 9th, you're going to get the main body paragraphs done, and you're going to get this midterm feedback. Okay, this will take the most time. Peeking ahead to next week, spring break, yay! No assignments except for relaxing. Please do not look ahead. I want you to just have a nice spring break. There's no assignments due. I want you to take a break, clear your head, go do something fun, and then when you come back from spring break, then we'll work on finishing the paper. But your paper will be stronger, the first full draft will be stronger, once you've had a chance to clear your head. So go ahead and work hard on getting these body paragraphs done. Again, we're just putting the paper together in steps, introduction, then the refutation, now the body paragraphs. We'll finish the whole thing when you get back on the first draft, and then we will take it from there. Don't worry about that for right now. For right now, just go ahead and focus on getting this done and then enjoying your spring break. All right. All right. So get her done and then have a nice spring break. That's it. Bye-bye.